Hi there! So here are the SONY WH-XB700 Bluetooth wireless headphones. Now when you hear the word Sony, the only thing that comes to your mind is excellent quality. Well, these are premium segment budget headphones from Sony and they're currently priced at $8,990. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing and have a quick overview of the device. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started! So here they are, the SONY WH-XB700s. First thing on the box is extra bass written in bold. Then you have 30 hours battery life, Bluetooth, wireless Bluetooth, Google Assistant and Alexa built in. These are black colors. They are also available in a blue color. Here is extra bass written on the other side. Alright, on the back you can see it says overwhelming deep bass and clear vocals, hands-free calling with HD voice, 10-minute charge, plays up to 90 minutes, music playback time, battery life is maximum 30 hours, voice assistant function compatible with Android app and Siri. It has USB-C, that is great, and a headphone cable which you can connect to listen to a source when the battery runs out. And there is something called as DSEE, which is Digital Sound Enhancement Engine. I will be talking about this in my full review, but just to give you the basics, it helps you improve the audio quality. And NFC is also on board, so NFC is there, so that means you can now pair it with any Android phone with NFC with just tapping it on the back. So that's great, right? Let's quickly unbox this. Wow, box packing is really impressive. There you go. And they look amazing. Just the first look and you know it's premium. So it says easy setup, download the app. You can scan the QR code from here, download the app. You will get the app on the Apple App Store as well as on any Android Google Play Store. Power on your headphones and connect it via the app. Inside the box there's some paperwork and some installation guide, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable to connect to your headphones when the battery on these totally runs out. There is also a charging cable which is now a USB-C to USB, and then the XB700 headphones. Let's have a closer look at them. Oh god, they look absolutely gorgeous. They're made out of polycarbonate and they look extremely premium. Here on the right ear cup you can even see an NFC logo, which means the NFC chip is here, so you can use your Android NFC devices to just keep it here, pair it, and it'll start working instantaneously. You have the Sony branding on the top and it's got this lovely beautiful matte finish. It's engraved, it looks beautiful. Wow, the cushions on the top are really wonderful. There's Sony branding on both the sides. And the cushions on the cups are too good. Can't wait to wear them. They're like extremely soft. I can imagine that when they're providing 30 hours of battery life, the cushions have to be good so that you can wear it for long hours. So let's see the buttons. So on the left ear cup you have a custom button right on the top. Now what is custom button? So this, from the app you can change it to either Alexa, to Google Home or to Siri. So you can choose either of the three from the app, so when you press this it will directly enable that. Here's the power pairing button. Here's the USB-C port to charge the device. Here's a 3.5mm audio headphone to connect when the juice on this totally runs out. And this seems to be a mic or an LED light. We'll know, but I think this is a mic. And on the other side, which is the other cup, you have a plus minus tactile buttons, and the center button definitely is to play and pause. The plus will also be to change the track. You press and hold, it changes the next track. You press and hold, it goes to the previous track. Trust me, I love the build quality, and it's not too heavy, under 200 grams, 195 grams to be exact. So let's turn this on, pair it with a phone and see how it performs. Pairing the headphones with your phone is simple standard procedure. Hold the power button for 5 seconds and it will show up in the Bluetooth settings. Once that is done, Go to the Sony Headphone app and finish the setup by following the steps. Alright, here it is, WH-XB700. WH stands for wireless headphones, by the way, and it's at 100%. Here is the surround, which you can change directly from here. Arena, club, outdoor stage, concert hall, or turn it off. So you have a full surround effect available here. You have clear bass, which you can reduce or increase. So if some feel that the bass is too much, you can reduce it. If you want more, you can increase it from here. Great. Sound position control. So this is from which direction you feel the sound is coming from. It'll create that sound positioning effect. So right now it's front right, it's from the front left, rear right, and off. That's actually a good option. Now playing. So suppose you're playing songs from Apple Music or streaming from YouTube or just any music streaming app, or even if songs are on this, it'll show up here, whatever is playing. So you can control stop, next, volume, everything from this app directly as well. Sound quality mode. So in sound quality mode, you have your priority on sound quality and priority on stable connection. Now suppose you're in a crowded train, or you're traveling to work, or if you're sitting in an office where your phone is a little further away from you and you feel that the connection isn't that strong enough, you can go to priority on stable connection. Okay, DSW. DSW stands for Digital Sound Enhancement Engine. By default, it's turned off. You can turn it on, it becomes auto. So it will help improve your sound quality a lot, but it will also decrease your battery life. So by default, it is set to off. You can decide when you're listening to it whether you like to keep it off, so that there is a little less of loss of sound quality when you turn this on. Change function of custom button. So there's a custom button on the headphone which you can custom decide what you want it for. You can choose it for voice assistant function. Like now, if it's selected voice assistant function and if I press that button, it will enable Siri. You can choose it to launch Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. You can just custom choose it from here. There are not many more options apart from these three. Custom means just the three of these, not anything apart from these. So it's a nice comprehensive app. You can set up things from here. You can directly set things. Also a very important point, these headphones will get software updates via this app, which is great. Usually when it's with our phones, we go with software updates and we wait for updates. Right here, when you get an update, it will show up on the top that there is an update available. Wonderful that these headphones can be updated via this app. This app is going to be really helpful. Well, now it's time to wear this and see how comfortable and how's the sound quality. The cushions on the headphones are extremely comfortable. The headband is also well cushioned and soft. These are over the ear headphones. The cups are completely covering the ears, creating a good seal. But you can hear some ambient noises. The buttons on the cups are tactile. The fit and comfort of these headphones are excellent. Alright, enough said, time to listen to some music. Okay, first thing, deep bass, absolutely stellar. The instrument separation is clear as crystal. The XB700 is perfectly tuned for the Indian audience. The youth will love it. They really shine when you feed it some bass. Absolutely brilliant, value for money. Wow, what an experience it was. In my short time of using it, the sound quality is absolutely ear-pleasing. It's lightweight, they look premium. Yes, they don't have noise cancelling, but there's still so much more that is already there. It's wonderful, the bass is excellent. If you want to buy one, I'll leave the links in the description. You should check them out. They're absolutely worth the price. Also, I'll be doing an in-depth review where I'll be covering more of its features in depth, more about its sound quality and battery life as and when I use it, so you don't want to miss the full review video. That will be coming very soon. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback about this video. Also, if there are any other video ideas or questions about the Sony headphones, I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. And of course, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications when new videos are uploaded. Until next time, cheers.